To understand the power of tonality, let's start with something seemingly unrelated: basketball. Remember when Michael Jordan impressed us with his incredible jumps? As incredible as they were, we all knew he would inevitably come back down. Why? Well, because of gravity. Now let's hear that one more time. What you just experienced is the power of tonality. Just as gravity pulls everything back to Earth, tonality pulls any melody back to one note, the tonic. Think of tonality as a planet composed of scales and chords. Much like gravity, tonality holds them together, providing stability and a clear sense of direction. And just as planets have distinct qualities, each tonality carries its own mood. The major distinction here is between major and minor. Minor keys create a somber and emotional atmosphere. On the other hand, major keys evoke feelings of joy and optimism. Can you feel the difference? Like you, also famous composers throughout history have associated different emotions with specific tonalities. Beethoven, for instance, linked certain qualities to specific keys. For example, C minor conveys a sense of drama, tragedy, and intensity. D major, instead, is linked to brightness and joy. Next time you listen to a track, try to perceive this strong force which, like gravity, repeatedly draws you back to the tonic. But what if we want to go from one planet or key to another within the same song? Reaching Mars might be a challenge for Elon Musk, but in music we have a secret weapon called modulation. Let's talk about it in our next video. I'll see you there.